I got Wolverine in the middle of this whole team. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I think Star-Lord's easy. Where's Hela? Someone's shooting at me. Oh, I see Loki. I killed Loki. Backline. 3, 2, 1. I got Wolverine right for me. Oh, Wolverine's right there. 3. Did you just see that? He was so desperate, he committed suicide just to kill me. Do we have a Hela? No, we do not. Alright, I'm waiting.